Hi guys, welcome to Richard Cabile YouTube channel, and today's video I will teach you how to enable Google Assistant in your Oppo A5s mobile phone. So okay guys, but before we start, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel by pressing the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. So okay guys, let's start. You all have to do is go to setting in your Oppo A5s mobile phone, okay? Okay guys, here in settings, okay, scroll down and find the smart and convenient, okay? Click this. Okay guys, here in smart and convenience, okay, you can see the switch button on the upper right side on the screen, okay? You can see the switch button, okay? If you turn on this, okay, the Google Assistant is on. Okay guys, press and hold the power button for 0.5 seconds to wake up Google Assistant. So okay guys, that's it. Okay, we can try it. Okay, go back to your home page of your Oppo A5s mobile phone and okay, press the power button on 5 seconds. Okay, and okay guys, the Google Assistant is pop up below on your screen. And okay guys, that's it. And okay guys, if you have a question, kindly comment below, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. So okay guys, thank you for watching.